Alright, so you said we have two rectangular prisms. Formula is length times width times height. Take the first one. Alright, so what's my length? 6. What's my width? 2. And what's the height? 1. Alright, so that's for this piece.
So we don't do it like.
Hold on. That's for the red piece. Now I gotta find the volume of the green one. That's this. Alright. So what's the length of the green piece? Length is what? 4.
The following students need to report to Mr. Davis: Yoani Rios, Rhett Vines, Gary Cook. Report to Mr. Davis: Gary Cook, Rhett Vines, Yoani Rios.
Alright, how do you know that the width is also 2, Mr. Dye? Because it's the same size as this right here. So that equals 2. Alright, and what's my height? 0.5. Alright, so now I need the volume of the whole shape. So you find the volume of your red section and add it to the volume of the green section. Alright, so 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. Alright, 4 times 2, 8. Half of 8 is 4. So what's the volume of my entire figure? So volume is 16, what? 16 feet cubed. So when you're finding the volume of composite shapes, you find the volume of each individual shape and then add them
Garrett,
together.
can he come to the attendance office? Garrett, can he come to the attendance office, please?
Alright, so the very most important thing you have to do is be able to break it down into its individual shapes. You have to take the three-dimensional figure and break it down into what part figures it has. Alright, so let's look at another one. Alright, let's look at this one right here. So let's take this. We have to break it down into three-dimensional shapes. Ms. Mathis, what's one shape that it makes? Square is not a three-dimensional shape. A cube. So we know we have a cube. Alright, what other three-dimensional shape do we have? Mr. Evans? A cylinder. Alright, so I have a cube and a cylinder. Mr. Gumby. Alright,
Mr. Smith and Brown and Townsend, report to Mr. Davis' office, please. Alexis Smith and Brown and Townsend, come to Mr. Davis' office.
now, we have a cube and a cylinder. We have to find the volume of the individual pieces, add them together. So the cube, length times width times height. So cube is length times width times height. Cylinder? Pi? Good. So a cylinder is pi, radius squared, height. Alright. So back to our cube. We know it's 5, 5, and 5. Alright. Our cylinder is pi. How do you know it's 2? I don't see a 2 anywhere.
It's far.
We know we gotta have part. So R equals 2. Good. So we know we need pi, 2 squared, and then how tall is the cylinder? 4. What do we know about pi? Save for last. Why do we say pi for last?
Dessert.
Because pi is dessert. You eat dessert last. Alright. So you start with your 5 times 5 times 5. 125. Alright, so you go 2 squared. 2 squared. 4. 4 times 4. So we know we gotta add 16. Hold our pi till the end. Say again? No, I don't add it. What do? Multiply it. How much?
Use the pi sign on the calculator.
Say it loud. I couldn't.
50.24.
So
50.26.
24,
You got
26
any sign?
depends. It'll tell you. Did you use 3.14 pi button? 3.14. So 125 plus 50 and 24 hundredths. 175. 0.24 what? Inches cubed. Alright. So I did the first 2 with you. I hope you wrote them down. Alright. So you're going to do 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. Four, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. No, you can do 8 also. Yeah. So you're going to do 4 through 11. Skip 7. We'll skip 7 for today. 7's a bonus. Everybody must attempt it. So 4 through 11. And I did 4 and 5 for you. Alright. So you're going to do 4 through 11.